Watching a video with no captions? PonySubs can generate live translated subtitles right inside your browser. Open PonySubs, choose your target language, then start live translation. As the video plays, PonySubs listens, translates, and shows subtitles in real time. Need larger subtitles? Use the on-screen controls to make the text easier to read. Change the subtitle color so it stays readable on different video backgrounds. You can also adjust the subtitle box background for stronger contrast. Want to listen instead of read? Turn on voice reading and choose a matching voice. Switch between translated-only subtitles, original subtitles, or bilingual display. When you are done, export transcripts and subtitle files for review or reuse. PonySubs is not only for videos, it can also help translate regular web page text while you browse. Use PonySubs to understand videos, courses, and web content in another language. Try it at PonySubs.com.